Are you searching for the best heat press machines? In this video, I'll show you my top 5 heat press machines that I tested this year. Number 5. CoolSub Heat Press. I've been using the CoolSub 15 by 15 inch slide-out heat press in hot pink, and it's been a solid addition to my crafting setup. For its size and price, this machine delivers impressive value. The 15 by 15 plate is perfect for standard t-shirts and tote bags, and the slide-out drawer makes it much safer and easier to position items without burning your hands. The Teflon-coated heating plate is truly non-stick and easy to clean. I also like the adjustable pressure knob, which lets me fine-tune for thicker or thinner materials. It works great with HTV, sublimation, and DTF film. The digital control panel is simple to use and keeps time and temp accurate, no guessing games. My only gripe is that the machine is a bit heavy, so it's not super portable. Also, the slide-out drawer doesn't lock in place, so you have to be a bit careful while loading. Still, for hobbyists and small business owners, this press is a fantastic, affordable choice. It's functional, reliable, and stylish, definitely worth it for the price. Number 4. Woobify Heat Press. I've been using the Woobify 5-in-1 heat press for a few months now, and for the price, it's honestly a great deal, especially for beginners or side hustlers. The 15-inch by 12-inch size is compact enough for my craft space but big enough to handle t-shirts with no problem. The attachments for mugs, hats, and plates add serious value, letting me expand beyond shirts into more creative projects. The 360-degree swing-away design makes it easy to place items safely, and the digital LCD panel is simple to set for time and temp. I also appreciate the Teflon-coated plate and heat-resistant pads, which keep my transfers clean and consistent. It does take a little time to switch between attachments, and at around 41 pounds, it's not super lightweight. But for everything it can do, I really can't complain. Overall, the Woobify 5-in-1 is affordable, versatile, and reliable. If you're just getting into sublimation or want to start a small home business, it's a smart, budget-friendly choice. Number 3. Vever 15 by 15 Heat Press Machine. I've been using the Vever 15 by 15 8-in-1 heat press in light green, and it's been a total game changer for my crafting and small biz projects. The 15-inch by 15-inch plate is a great size for t-shirts, while the attachments for hats, plates, and especially the 30-ounce tumbler press make it incredibly versatile. I love that I can press 2 mugs at once. The dual-tube heating ensures even heat across the entire surface, which gives my transfers vibrant colors and sharp details. The 360-degree swing-away arm and slide-out drawer make it super safe and easy to use, especially when lining things up just right. That said, it's a bit bulky and takes some time to swap attachments. Also, the instructions could be clearer for total beginners. But once you get the hang of it, setup becomes second nature. Overall, this machine is a fantastic value for the price. It's ideal for anyone who wants to press more than just t-shirts, great for crafters, Etsy sellers, or anyone growing a side hustle. Number 2. Royal Press Heat Press Machine. I've been using the Royal Press 15-inch by 15-inch heat press, and I've got to say, it's a solid, no-frills workhorse for anyone serious about heat transfers. The 15-inch by 15-inch size is perfect for standard t-shirts and tote bags, and the industrial-quality aluminum heating plate with a Teflon coating means I don't need any extra protective sheets, huge time saver. The LED display is clear and easy to use, showing time, temp, and even a piece counter, which is super handy for bulk jobs. The temperature gets up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, and the heat stays nice and even, which gives me clean, consistent results every time. On the flip side, there's no swing-away or slide-out feature, so I do have to be cautious when placing materials. And while it's labeled black in the title, the machine is actually blue, not a big deal, but worth noting. Overall, for the price, it's a dependable and durable heat press, great for home crafters or small business owners looking for reliable, pro-level performance without breaking the bank. Number 1. Teflon Auto Heat Press Machine. I recently picked up the Teflon Auto Heat Press Machine for my growing t-shirt business, and honestly, I'm impressed with how much value this machine offers at its price point. First off, the auto press and release feature is a total game changer. I just load the shirt, press the R button, and the machine does the rest, automatically adjusts to the thickness and even pops open when it's done. No more babysitting the machine or worrying about burning my designs. The 15 by 15 size is ideal. It's large enough for full-size t-shirts, tote bags, and even small signs, but the compact footprint, 20 inches by 12 inches, means it fits nicely in my home studio without taking over my workspace. Despite its 40 pounds weight, the slide-out drawer makes it easy and safe to handle, especially around curious kids or pets. It heats up quickly and evenly, thanks to the dual heating elements. I was able to get to 320 degrees Fahrenheit in under 4 minutes, saving me serious time when batch pressing. The preset and custom modes are super helpful for different materials. I've successfully used it on vinyl, sublimation, wood, and ceramic blanks. My only con: it's a bit loud when pressing down, but nothing deal-breaking. Overall, this is a professional quality press at a hobbyist-friendly price. If you're starting a small business or upgrading from a manual press, this machine is absolutely worth it for its ease of use, safety features, and solid performance.